Assalamu alaikum students, this lecture is for the class 7th. We were discussing about the governments of the states. Today our topic is related to Chief Minister, his or her appointment, term of office, the Council of Ministers, powers of Chief Minister. As you know that we discussed about the governor who is appointed by the president from the center. He is the link between the central government and state government. Today we will discuss about the chief minister, as chief minister is called the real executive of the state and governor is called the nominal head of the state. So now chief minister, it's according to article 164 says that governor shall appoint a chief minister and council of ministers on the advice of the chief minister. Look students, when states elections are done, then the party which gains the majority, the political party which gains the majority, their head is chosen as chief minister. Like at the central level, the head of the political party is chosen as Prime Minister. At the state level, the head or the leader of the political party is chosen as Chief Minister. And who appoints them? Governor appoints the Chief Minister and Council of Ministers. Council of Ministers are those ministers who work with the Chief Minister in handling all the policies and problems of the state. And these Council of Ministers are appointed by Governor while consulting the advice of Chief Minister. Governor takes the advice of Chief Minister, then appoints the Council of Ministers. Second thing is, he is the real executive head of the state executive. That means the executive wing, we have already discussed that legislative, executive and judiciary are the three wings of the government. So Chief Minister is the real executive. He really executes all the things, all the policies are executed, done by the Chief Minister. According to convention, the governor appoints the leader of party getting majority in legislative assembly as CM, as Chief Minister. As I already told you that it's because of the convention, it is already written that governor should appoint the party's leader as Chief Minister. When the legislative assembly gets the political party who wins the majority of seats, then their leader is chosen as, appointed as Chief Minister by the governor. If no party gets clear majority, the governor may use his discretion power to appoint the CM or the Chief Minister when there is a coalition government, when a political party doesn't get majority. So then 2 to 3 parties come together and make a coalition or an alliance, then form a party. And then the governor, as I already have discussed about the powers of a governor, discretionary powers, that there the governor has the power to choose the or appoint the chief minister. But in any case, the chief minister must approve his confidence in the legislative assembly. But the chief minister, which is appointed by the governor, has to gain the confidence in the legislative assembly. Now, if we look at the term of office, the chief minister holds office during the pleasure of governor. As I already told you that governor appoints the chief minister. So, if chief minister does any mistake or anything which is unpleasant, which is not good for the people, general public, then governor can remove him. He holds the office till he enjoys the confidence of legislative assembly. That means when the legislative assembly members are with the chief minister, then he remains the chief minister. If they withdraw their support from the chief minister, then he loses his seat, he loses his position as chief minister. He cannot be removed by the governor till he holds the confidence of the house. That means until and unless the legislative assembly members are with the chief minister, governor cannot remove him. Whom? Chief Minister. That means the house, the legislative assembly, which is the lower house of the state, should be with the Chief Minister. Then only he or she can win their confidence and remain the Chief Minister of the state. Now comes the Council of Ministers. Council of Ministers are those ministers which are appointed by the governor on the advice of Chief Minister. These are those ministers who work with the Chief Minister, like Defense Minister, Finance Minister, Foreign Affairs Minister. Foreign Affairs is at the central level, Education Minister, etc. So these are the different ministers who work with the Chief Minister. There is a collective responsibility of Council of Ministers to the Legislative Assembly. All these ministers are collectively responsible to the Legislative Assembly. Like at the central level, there is also collective responsibility because the members of the Lok Sabha or the Council of Ministers at that level are responsible to Lok Sabha. At the state level, the Council of Ministers are accountable to Legislative Assembly. The Chief Minister decides the portfolios of the minister. He can shuffle their portfolios as well. That means a Chief Minister decides the portfolios of ministers. That means ministers are given work by the Chief Minister, like who will be Defense Minister, Defense is at the central level, who will be the Education Minister, who will be the Human Welfare Minister, who will be the other portfolios are the work or the things which a minister has to perform, has to do their respective works, and can shuffle their portfolios. Shuffle, that means he can give education to other minister, sanitation, welfare of the people to another minister. It is up to the Chief Minister. Then another thing is the Chief Minister can ask the minister to resign or advise the governor to remove the minister. That means a Chief Minister can ask a minister to resign and also advise the governor to remove any minister. It is up to Chief Minister and governor. They can remove any minister. When the Chief Minister resigns, the whole Council of Ministers dissolves. It means that if a minister resigns, then whole government is there. But when a Chief Minister resigns, the whole Council of Ministers gets dissolved. That means all the government gets dissolved. That means there remains no government at the state level when the Chief Minister resigns from his position. Then comes the powers of Chief Minister. The governor prorogues and summons the state legislature in consultation with CM, that is Chief Minister. That means governor can suspend or can summon the state legislature while consulting with the Chief Minister. Summon or prorogue means that governor can suspend the whole legislative assembly, their session, their meetings, but with the consultation of Chief Minister. The CM advise governor in choosing Council of Ministers. The Chief Minister can advise the governor while choosing the Council of Ministers as discussed earlier. The Chief Minister advises and coordinates the work of Council of Ministers. That means Chief Minister, as you know, is the head of the government, is the leader of the government. That means he advises and coordinates the work of Council of Ministers. He looks and checks their work. What are they doing? Are the laws and policies implemented very well? The Chief Minister advises the governor in appointing chairman of state public service commissioners, advocate general, state election commission, etc. That means Chief Minister advises the governor to appoint the chairman of state public service commission. These are the high officials, high bureaucrats, advocate general, state election commissioner. State election commission is that body which conducts the election in the state. That means whatever the governor takes the decisions, these decisions are advised by the Chief Minister. That means both are in the coordination while dealing with the state government. but sometimes governor can also use his discretionary powers. He or she cannot consult the chief minister at that time. But all in all, we can say that chief minister is the real executive of the state. He advised the governor in choosing the council of ministers. He advised and coordinates the work of council of ministers and advises many decisions taken by the governor. This was about the chief minister and his powers. Thank you.